subscribe. Starter went out. Starter's gone. This is how it sounds like. Well, you know what? It just whines. It's and it's supposed to start straight up. When your starter is bad, guess what? These don't rise. The teeth don't rise up to touch these. Teeth gotta rise to touch these. So boom, that didn't happen. Starter bad. We got a new starter right here, y'all. You can see.
Easy peasy.
That's where it go. So I'm gonna take it off, put it on. The starter detached, y'all. I go starter right there, it's detached. Now I just take that little red off. Detach that. This the new one.
Hit the notification bell and have the first chance to win prizes.
All right, so I'm on the truth.